Hello everyone, I'm Claire from Claire's Crafty Tutorials, and if you are new here, I do jewellery tutorials for complete jewellery beginners. I do some other craft projects, days out, so I do try to mix it up. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies, and lots of the supplies that I show in my tutorials are available over there, and I do cater for the beginner jewellery maker, so you can buy things in very small quantities. And I love to repurpose old broken jewellery. I've got lots of costume jewellery, old costume jewellery, broken costume jewellery. You've probably got broken jewellery yourself too. I think eBay you can buy bags of broken jewellery. I'm going to make a double-stranded bracelet today from a broken bracelet. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. Let me show you what products I'm going to be using today. So this is what I have. They're so pretty, and they actually have 2 holes on each side, so I can use these to make a double-stranded bracelet. I wish I had some grey bicone beads, some smoky grey bicone beads. It's almost like smoky quartz. They've got diamante detail inside. So I've got 3 of those, and I've got some, these are 4mm silver beads. I do not know what they're made of, but they actually came with what was left of this bracelet. These are the beads that I'm going to be using. These are 6mm. Remember, we're going to use double. I've got some 0.6mm stretch elastic. Again, you can make this with a clasp or a toggle. I've got lots of videos on if you want to do that. I've got lots of videos if you want to add one of those. I've got 2 clips that I'm going to use to stop the beads from falling off, and some snips and a ruler. Now lengthwise, let's just say 16 inches. I'm going to cut 2. So it's 0.6 elastic. Elastic comes in lots of different thicknesses, and that's all down to the size of the holes of the beads. Some beads have large holes, some have small. I've just found small beads. Let's put these on first of all. So they go that way. And I think in between, I'm going to put some of these, I'll use 2 in between the gaps. So let's take our first one. Give it a stretch. Pop a clip on the end. And I'm going to thread through the top 2 holes. Have I not brought my glasses with me? I'm terrible. Let's see if I can do it without my glasses. So we go through 1 hole. Right, that's that one. I'm going to thread 2 beads. If you do make anything, tag me on Instagram. Thank you to those that have done already. It's lovely to see what you're making. So we put 2 silver beads, and I'm going to thread through another one. Thread another 2. I do love old jewellery. I think I should have been born in another era. Thread through that one. Let's turn these over and see what we've got. I'm just seeing what they look like with two at the moment. Are they going to clash, clash, clash? I think let's do it with two. See how we go. And we are going to do the same for the bottom one. You're probably wondering why I haven't put any of these on yet. I would just prefer to get this done first of all. But obviously you do what you are happy with. I've got some lovely new metallic beads I need to take some photos of. Silver, gold, bronze and rose gold. And they're small. Right, so that's that one. So if I just show you, two beads, two beads. I think I'm going to go for about 8 inches. Yeah, I'm going to go for 8 inches on this one. It is going to be for me to show you. Okay, so let's move those and we'll just start threading these on. So what projects are you making at the moment? Let me know in the comments below. I'm nosy, I love to learn what people are doing or making. It doesn't have to be jewellery. We just, I didn't feel like cooking. And we actually went out to, in the UK, we have something called Brewers Fair. And they've got these meal deals for £5. And I suggested it to Richard, and he's like, oh, you know, you probably won't get anything. It'd be nothing on the plate. So I said, well, I know, just let's go see. Let's go and see. Anyway, we went and was pleasantly surprised. Okay, it's nothing special, but it was just, I had a burger, I had a cheeseburger, and then I paid an extra 99p for some streaky bacon. And that came with some skin on fries and coleslaw and a salad. And then Richard had gammon. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's 11 on there. Put 11 on this side. Yeah, so Richard had gammon, pineapple, egg, skin on fries and coleslaw. Oh, I've picked up the wrong length. See, that's talking. I'm terrible. I should just be quiet. I think the drinks were the same each as the meal. But I don't know how they can stay in business making things that cheaply. Right, we'll do 11 on, let's put that back on. We'll put 11 on this side. So we'll do this one up, and we're going to do 2 separate knots. So we are going to do a hand over knot, and another one, and another one. And something that I'm going to do for a change, because sometimes people have said their bracelets have come undone, take a bit of clear nail varnish. What I'll do, I'll do both, I'll tie both first of all. Hand over knot, another one, and another one. There is the bracelet, and obviously underneath. And then we're going to, can be a bit tricky, pull that knot up on each one. Probably won't see this, but I'm just going to put on the top and underneath some clear nail varnish. Just going to hold that for about 20 seconds. And I'm going to do exactly the same for this side. Pulling them up, you can see there's the knot. It's really hard to keep the knot up. It's all fingers on the top and underneath. Wait about 20 seconds. Okay, but what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put that to one side. I'm going to leave it to dry a little bit longer, and then I will snip the ends off. Now, if you're using a larger hold bead, you can hide the knot. So I'm just going to snip, snip. I'm not pulling on that tightly because it's still drying. There we go. And then I'm just going to leave that, take some photos, and then show you. So I'm going to let that dry, and then I'll show you some photos. But that's it, you know, a way of stringing, way of reusing, and they're absolutely beautiful. I hope you found that video interesting. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and if you can pop a comment down below for me, it would really help the algorithm. Just share my videos. If you're not sure what to write, you can just put hi, you can put a love heart in, anything. You put any little emoji in, it's absolutely fine. It just really helps. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.